Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Alien Rogue Incursion Evolved Edition game crashing, lagging, freezing, not launching, not loading error on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. So the first method is to restart the game. For that, first select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller. Then select quit option. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next solution is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cache data. For that, you need to open settings, then choose device and connections, then Blu-ray, then select persistent storage and then choose clear persistent storage. Next solution is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, then select settings, then choose network settings, test network connection, wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. Next solution is to perform power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. The next method is to check for Alien Rogue Incursion Evolved Edition update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after that check if the issue is fixed. Next is to clear cache of the game. So for that, you need to first press Xbox guide, then my games and apps, then tap on see all. Here search for Alien Rogue Incursion Evolved Edition, press menu, then choose manage game and add-ons, then tap on save data and then click on reserved space. Finally tap on clear reserved space. Next method is to remove and re-add account. First press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next go to account, then click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select remove option. After that, add the account again. Next solution is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First open settings on your Xbox, then choose system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click on it to begin the updating process. Next method is to check storage space. For that, first press Xbox button, then go to profile and system, then click on settings, then system, then click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused tabs or game to create space, and after that try to launch the game and see if it helps. If not, the next method is to reinstall the game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to my games and apps, then select see all option. Here select Alien Rogue Incursion Evolved Edition, then press menu button, then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open the game official website and download the game, and after that try to play it and see if it resolves. If not, the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. You just need to go Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can also raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide you what to do, or else they will resolve it from their end and you can play the game further. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.